Alt text is text associated with an image that some browsers display instead of the image. Search engines use it to identify the content of a page. Adding alt text to images is a great way to give your site an SEO boost and make it more accessible. If you don't manually add alt text to an image, the image's file name will usually serve as alt text. When writing alt text, be descriptive and helpful. Remember that you're writing for humans who use assistive screen readers or who've disabled images in their browser. How would you describe this image to someone who couldn't see it? Captions added in the inline layout automatically become alt text for the image. If your image is set to the inline layout, and you want to add alt text but not display a caption, at the caption text, select Do Not Display Caption. For all other layouts, the captions won't become alt text. Instead, add alt text to the file name field in the Content tab of the image block editor. A description added to a gallery section image automatically becomes alt text and the caption for the image. To add alt text to a product image on the Products page, hover over the product and click Edit, then hover over the product image. Click the hamburger icon and click Edit Metadata. Here, you can add metadata to your product. By default, products use the product title as alt text. When you're done adding your alt text, click Apply and then Save. The site title serves as the alt text for the site logo. The title of a blog post or event serves as the alt text for the post or event thumbnail. For event pages, this is the same on both list and calendar layouts. When you add video blocks to your page using a URL, the block automatically generates a thumbnail image and appears as an overlay. If you add a custom thumbnail, the file name appears in the static URL, but not as alt text. It's not possible to add alt text to video block thumbnail images. An image's name acts as alt text if there isn't any other alt text provided. To change the file name for most images, re-upload the image with the new name. For image blocks, open the image editor and update the file name field in the Content tab. Please let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.